How to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the messenger icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the DM section, simply scroll down and find the chat where you want to send the disappearing messages or photos to. And now here, once you are inside the conversation, what you can do is just tap on the camera icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the camera section, what you can do is just tap on the capture button to take a photo, or you can just hold on it to take a video as well. And here, once you're done taking the photo or video, here on the next, you can add text, stickers, filters, and drawings if you want. And once you're done with that, what you can do is here at the bottom left side, you'll see the option labeled as view once. So there you can just tap on it, and there you can just tap on it to select view once. And once you're done with that, you can just tap on send. And here, once you do that, now your friend will receive the snap and it will disappear after viewing once. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.